Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can stop sharing your Instagram story to Facebook. It's pretty simple. After you open Instagram, click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen and then click on the three line at the top right of your screen. From over here, you want to choose settings and privacy. From inside settings and privacy, click on where it says account center. From inside account center, you want to choose this option called Connected Experiences. From inside Connected Experiences, click on Sharing Across Profiles. And then it's going to show you all the connected profiles. And you want to choose your Facebook profile. Nice Kevin Vici and it says Facebook, so I will click on it. You need to click on your Facebook profile. From over here where it says automatically share, make sure both of this is turned off. And make sure where it says your Facebook story, that is turned off. Once that is done, you're good to go. Now you can post any story you want. It's not going to be shared on your Facebook. So that's how we guys can fix this issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day everybody and peace out.